Hi everyone, welcome back to the Crafty Author. My name is Anissa. I am the Crafty Author and welcome to my quilting studio. Today we are going to unbox a goodie that was sent to me by HTVRONT. So I want to say thank you to HTVRONT. They sent me their auto heat press and I am so excited to unbox this and get it all set up and ready to go. But first, let's see what's in the box. So it comes in a larger box when they ship, and then you'll have your heat press in this box. And what it comes with is it comes with the instructions, a Teflon sheet, and the machine. Yeah, and I'm gonna have Okay, so Brandon is being so nice and he is going to put this up for me so that I don't like drop it. I'm gonna put her right over here. Oh, isn't she beautiful? Oh, goodness. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna just tear some of these edges, because what this does is it helps it so that you don't get like a box around your shirt when you go to press it. So, and you don't have to get crazy with it. You can just kind of just tear it, because like you don't want to tear into your design like I almost did. So if you're doing any kind of, sublimation and you're getting like the square around your design, this is what you would do. So like right here, this would leave a mark on the shirt. I'm actually going to tear along this line because I do not want that. And so yes, it is going to go a little bit into the design here, but that's okay. It's going to give it some character. And I am working with the Epson 4810 Eco Tank printer. I converted it to a sublimation printer. It was very easy, and I have made so many beautiful projects with it.
Probably under 5 minutes to get it total.
So we have been watching this heat up. It's probably been about 3 to 4 minutes, I would say, that it's taken, so it heats up rather quickly. Okay, here we go. Brandon's gonna show you, because he used to do this for a living and he's very good at it. Okay, so we are putting down a Teflon sheet to protect the mat from the sublimation ink, because we don't want that to get all over the mat, just in case. So we're just gonna protect that. He's gonna reposition the shirt. Now he's going to take a piece of butcher paper and he's going to stick it inside in between the front layer and the back layer. We're also doing that to make sure that the ink will not bleed onto the other side of the shirt, because it will bleed onto the back side. Okay? Very important. I always kind of forget to do this, and then I have to learn a lesson because I mess up too many shirts. So, all right, looks good. That looks really good, okay. That will also be linked down below in my Amazon store in the description box for that. So he's doing the 2 to 3 fingers down. He's just centering the design. He eyeballs it. You can use a t-shirt template to do this, also in my Amazon store, or you can try and eyeball it too. It's up to you.
Okay.
All right, push it in. And we're gonna wait and let it count down for the 30 seconds. so it's time to pull it off. It's okay.
Just want to peel it off.
All right.
Like that.
Ta-da! That turned out so cool. Oh my gosh. So yes, that is really neat. I just love this.
And nothing came
And
through.
nothing came through, but you want to have that in there just to make sure that nothing does come through. All right, so now we're going to turn the machine off. And thank you so much, HTVRONT, for the awesome auto heat press. And right now they are having a sale for Black Friday, and I'm going to give you all those details. All right, so I wanted to tell you about the Black Friday sale that HTVRONT is having. They are having a sale on Amazon where you can save, where there's a discount of 20% off, and you get an extra 5% discount with code 05UON8LU. I will link that code down below in my description box. It's valid from today until December 3rd. You don't want to miss that. So make sure you check that out. I will have all of the links below so that you could grab that for yourself. And also, they have with various codes that I will link down below as well for on their official website, where you can go and you can save there as well. So you can get $15 off all machines and bundles that are priced over $150. 25% off purchase over $89, and 25% off on all items for orders of 7 or more. So let me tell you what I love about HTVRONT, because they have some products that I use in my store and also in my crafting. So I love their vinyl. Their heat transfer vinyl is amazing. It is so super easy to work with. It's easy to weed. It cuts very, very well, and it presses nicely, and it lasts for a really long time. I've done numerous videos on that, and I cannot say enough good things about their vinyl. I have recently just started doing sublimation, and so I started doing, I started purchasing the HTVRONT sublimation paper, and I really, really love it. So I purchased a different brand too, and I wanted to compare how they matched up. And the HTVRONT sublimation paper was hands down more vibrant, and just overall looked so much better than the other one that I had used. And I will say the same thing about the blanks. So in my store, in my shop, I sell tumblers, and HTVRONT also sent me a tumbler press. And so I have a video out where I'm showing you how I do that as well. But the tumbler press, there's various different kinds of tumblers that you can purchase on Amazon and elsewhere, okay? But in my personal experience, I found that the HTVRONT sublimation tumblers turn out better than the ones that I had purchased that were kind of an off-brand off of Amazon. So I use their products personally, and I can say that I actually love their products. And so I will never steer you wrong. If I use it and I like it, I will let you know. If I don't, then you'll know that too. So anyway, hands down, they have great products. So you definitely want to get some of this for yourself, okay? I will have all of this put together for you. And if you'd like to follow me on social media, the links are down below in the description box. Now, please note that I have changed my links. I have them in my link tree now. So there should be just one link for you to click on, and it should take you to all my stores and everything like that. So you can find everything there, all right? And if you would like to share, that's great, because sharing is caring. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. That'll help the YouTube algorithm see us and show it to more people. And don't forget, keep on crafting. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.